How can unintentional patent infringement occur? It is entirely possible, and, in fact, it often happens, that great minds think alike. Two inventors, working independently, come up with essentially the same invention. The inventor who applies for a patent and can prove that he was the first to invent it is awarded the patent. For example, two businesses in the same industry have R&D departments toiling away working on the next great mousetrap, and both teams come up with the same solution. As both companies rush to get their newest technologies to market, Company A introduces a new product that infringes the patent of Company B. Unintentional as it may be, that is still patent infringement. Willful patent infringement occurs when an entity, usually a business, ignores a patent it knows about and brings an infringing product or service to market. A business should seek a freedom to operate opinion before introducing a new product.